Hi, I'm Bella. Do you like working and buying stuff for your car? Great! I own a black 6-speed G35 coupe. Can you locate the black 6-speed G35 coupe? Great! I'm just kidding. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella. And if you're new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it helps get the channel out there. I have missed y'all like a lot. It's been like almost a month since I freaking last posted. I wanted to give you guys an update as to what's been going on for like almost the past month, and just to also give you guys an update about the belt issue. Was gone for about a week, was in Miami, Florida, you know, spending time with some family, and then we actually just got back a couple days ago. These upcoming weeks are definitely going to be like go go go, because you guys know springtime up until like the end of summer, like a lot of decor events start happening, and I definitely do want to get this car in somewhat like clean condition, I guess. That way, you know, we're prepared, because I will be going to Import Alliance this year. I didn't get to go last year just because a lot of people were just saying it was whack, and it's been like whack ever since COVID came around. But now that that whole COVID thing has died down, things are gonna be great this year. They are having like a ticket that's called the Sunday event thing or something, that it's supposed to be like the 26th. They're gonna be having a special like area lot for Z's, G's, and Q's to all be parked together, which I think is kind of cool, because every time I would go, we would just all kind of be scattered, and that would kind of be annoying. I hope to see a lot of you guys out there actually, because it's one of my favorite events of the year, especially locally here in Georgia. I'm gonna wash the car, and then while I'm doing that, I'll just kind of do like a voiceover and just kind of talk to you guys. Oh my god, I have the camera set up like right over there, but I just wanted to show you guys before I cleaned it. It's so freaking gross. So time to wash that booty because she is so dirty. And for me, I like to wash my wheels first. It's just kind of like a preference, and I feel like it's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know. Wow, not me exposing missing lug nut, which I actually do have in the house, just haven't put it on. Dang, I should call him. Okay, so now for like, oh, what the heck? Okay, oh, okay. So I hate drying my car because I always struggle because I'm so short, and I'm just like, bro, like I always felt like I had to like get a stool seat. Yeah, but I got it. I mean, I'm making it work. All right, all clean. Boom. And then there's like a small layer of like pollen already, which is so annoying. You know what, let's do a cold start now that, you know, things are kind of resolved. That's the update with the G. And dude, I waited for like a week and a half and just to kind of see, because I didn't want to get my hopes up with this thing. So it is the next day, and there is something else that I did want to talk to you guys about the G, and I'm about to show you guys in a minute. It's just they're freaking mowing like the neighbor's yard, and it's just so annoying and hella loud. But let me turn that off. I've had this issue for like a couple months now, and kind of sucks because I just feel like my taillights are just getting a lot more condensation than they should be. My headlights actually, you know, Spec D headlights already freaking suck, and so what I ended up doing, I had to like just reseal it, and I haven't had a problem ever since. But it's like, you shouldn't have to go through that, you know, when you buy like a set of like $500 headlights, you know. Of course I could have sent them back to the guy who did them, but the thing is, I just didn't want to have to like make that such a big hassle and having to like send them, and then the possibility of losing my taillights. The taillights weren't sealed properly, and so what I ended up doing, I tried to seal them myself, but even then it's no luck. And so I'm about to show you guys what it looks like, and I'm in the process of trying to get them fixed, actually retrofitted along with my headlights. So it'll be kind of interesting because, you know, it's kind of like I haven't seen anybody retrofit clear taillights, so it'll be kind of cool. But again, it's like that's not 100% yet, so I just kind of want to put that out there, but not like officially kind of let you guys know like who's doing it specifically. So until I get more information about that, I'm not going to tell you guys about, you know, who's supposed to be helping. But Let me go show y'all. And of course, there's already freaking pollen, dude. God dang, and we just cleaned it. So, yeah. So you can see there's been like a lot of built up debris and just like stuff. I think there's like a spider in here somewhere that I had saw, but I think it's gone. So I tried going back in and just resealing everything. And this one's not as bad, like when it comes to the condensation compared to this one, so you can see it. And it is kind of annoying because, you know, like the clear taillights are my favorite part about this car. And again, it's very unfortunate that, you know, I'm having this issue, but hopefully I can get this issue resolved before next week in Port Alliance, because I would like to have this car like A1 condition when we go. And again, it's one of those things that's like to be expected, especially because the guy, he was, you know, still kind of trying to get it locked down on, you know, mastering the taillights. And the guy that I was gonna go before, he was charging like, I think like an arm and a leg, which makes sense because of the, you know, the work that you get. And I kind of like, you know, took that hit and just taking the risk anyways. But I mean, it's fine. I love them. Far away, you can't see it. Like, you literally have to be like all up on the car, like to kind of see, you know. It's one of those things, it's like no one knows but you, but now it's like you guys now know now, but still. And then let me show you guys the headlights. This sucks, dude, but it's like taillights still work and headlights still work. The car's running, you know, so very grateful for that. And it's no longer squealing, so it's like we can actually go to meets, you know. So this is what I did. I ended up resealing it, and I haven't had any condensation issues with the headlights at all, so that's good. But they're actually trying to retrofit these, and I know people have retrofitted spec D lights and they look pretty cool, but I'm not trying to, like, I completely am not 100% sure what they're trying to do. Like, I'm one of those people where I kind of have to see it in order for it to kind of make sense. Damn, I need to clean like this too for next week. But so yeah, if you're having any like issues with your lights, I would definitely say just go back and just like reseal the hell out of it. Like, I literally did this twice and haven't had like any issues. It's okay, shit happens, and we'll get those fixed. And actually, I hope, you know, this whole like retrofit thing goes through. That way, you know, we can get started on this light series. I think will be cool. And just to bring you guys along too, and just kind of maybe influence more of you to get clear taillights. I've been obsessed with these things ever since I got the G. Like, I was already set. I already knew what mods I was gonna put on it, and that was like one of the very first mods that I like was my goal to put on the G, just because I think it just looks good on black. And I know a lot of people are like kind of hot and cold about the clear tails, but I just think the setup that I have on with the G right now is like mint. So we'll be at Import Alliance March 25th and 26th. And yeah, so if you see me there, make sure you say hey. I would definitely be in the spotlight area that they're calling it on Sunday, and I'll try to be there like all day. I'm excited. I'm gonna take the car to a meet without it freaking squealing. And so, and again, I will put that kit in the description box along with the website where you can get your Import Alliance tickets in the description below, so you can do all that, purchase your goodies, spend some money. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.